Guys, I haven't rode a coaster this year until now. Look where we are with Francesco.
Hi.
He built a roller coaster in his backyard. How awesome is that? You gotta say, it's pretty awesome. Not a lot of people have done that. So, look at it. How tall is it? It's like only 7 feet. But we measured it and it pulls 2 positive G's and 0.4 negative G's, which is pretty impressive.
Yeah.
That's awesome. He built this all by himself. It has a pretty steep drop, not a steep drop, but a long drop, an airtime hill, and then it just pops up into that. So it's pretty awesome. We're gonna take some rides on it. Let's see how awesome this thing is. Like perfectly placed on this little hill here, so there's not too many supports. It actually just comes down one airtime hill and it goes on a spike. What did you think of that ride?
What's it?
So this is all made with PVC pipe. You kind of just heat it up and bend it to the shape you wanted.
Yeah.
And then you just brace it all with wood and to keep it together.
For sure. So these like just 2 inches.
Yeah.
That's awesome. And is there any, is there like cement structures into the ground or anything?
No, really no cement. I just dug pretty deep holes and just filled them back in, so everything is pretty sturdy.
Awesome. And what are those on the wheel chassis?
Those are actually just skateboard wheels. So I put some skateboard wheels and I got 3 of them to cover every side of the track.
That's awesome. Okay, we're now on the ride with the GoPro. You ready?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Whoa! Woo! The train looks super well designed.
Yeah.
Obviously it's not going to be like a real coaster train. It does its best, but the bottom there's upstop wheels so that obviously it cannot come off the track on these hills. But that's really awesome. So, do you think that anyone can really do this, or have you had some sort of engineering background?
I really haven't had much engineering background. A lot of this was trial and error. Yeah. But I think if anybody really has a passion for it and has some time on their hands, it's something anyone can do.
How long have you actually been into roller coasters in general?
Well, I've always liked roller coasters, but I started really getting into them about like 2 years ago when Yukon Striker was being constructed.
Same with me. That's when I started watching everything. Yeah.
Sometimes the wheels get a little bit stuck, so I just put some water to freshen it up and make it a bit smoother.
Yeah, it looks like it helps just lubricate it a little bit.
Yeah.
And it helps the whole train run over this layout smoother. So that is pretty much gonna wrap up our time at the quote Francesco's backyard roller coaster, because it doesn't have a name yet. Yeah. You still need to name it, by the way. Yeah, so on my coaster count it's just gonna say Francesco's backyard coaster, and then what, like 3 or 4 rides was it maybe?
Yeah, I think
something like that. Maybe 4. I'll call it 4 rides. So yeah, we had a pretty fun time. He does have a YouTube channel called Northern Lights Coasters. The link will be down below. It'll be the first link in the description, so you can go check that out. If you're interested, he posts a lot of videos on the updates of this coaster, like as it was being built, so you can go check those out. And I'm sure progressions as time goes along, how it puts up, and some stuff on sort of if you want to build your own, it's there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to go subscribe for some more Toronto lifestyle, tech, I don't know, who knows at this point, kind of videos. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.